Today we're going to make a super easy and creamy no-bake pistachio cheesecake. It is soft, sweet, and full of pistachio flavor. And the best part is, we don't need an oven at all. First, we take our biscuits and crush them into very small crumbs. The smaller and finer they are, the better the base will hold together later. Next, we put the biscuit crumbs into a bowl and pour in the melted butter. We mix everything really well until all the crumbs are covered and it looks like wet sand. Now we take a cake pan and pour the biscuit mixture inside. We press it down very firmly, using a spoon or a glass, so it becomes a flat and strong base. After that, we put it in the fridge so it can get cold and set properly. In another bowl, we add cream cheese and mix it until it becomes soft, smooth, and creamy. There should be no lumps at all. Then we add pistachio cream and mix again until everything is fully combined. It should turn into a smooth, light green cream that smells amazing. After that, we pour in the heavy cream. We use a mixer and keep mixing until the cream becomes thick, fluffy, and light like a cloud. Now we take this creamy mixture and pour it over the biscuit base. We spread it evenly and smooth out the top so it looks nice and clean. Then we place it back into the fridge so it can set and become firm. For the topping, we take pistachio cream again and warm it in the microwave for a few seconds. This makes it soft, smooth, and easy to pour. We gently pour it over the top of the cheesecake and spread it evenly so it covers the whole surface. Now we put the cheesecake back in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This helps it become fully set, creamy, and perfect to cut. And just like that, your pistachio cheesecake is ready. It's creamy, sweet, and super delicious. Check the description below for the full recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and yummy recipes.